Welcome to EasoCare Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fulfill a customer order placed via your online store. There are typically two main types of orders that can be placed by your customer. A normal order with the medicines added to cart, and a prescription-only order where the customers expects you to call and add medicines to their order. Let us take the first type as an example now. Once you receive a notification for your new order, open the EasoCare for Pharmacy app and click on the Orders tab. In the Pending section, you will now see a new order with the status as pending. To view more details and know the medicines added, click on Details. In the Overview section, you can check the customer's name, the customer's mobile number, address of the customer if the type of order is delivery, and the doctor's name who prescribed the medicines. The final section would be the fulfillment type, which can be delivery or pickup, and the payment type, which can be COD or online. Once you have seen the order summary, you can click on the Items tab to check the medicines which have been added by the customer. Here you can check the name, the MRP and the discounted price of each item. If you want to cancel the order, click on the Decline button and add a cancellation reason. If you want to edit the medicine name, its quantity or its price, you can click on the Edit button. We would come to that in a moment. For now, let us accept the customer's order by clicking on the Accept Order button. Now, a WhatsApp message has been sent to the customer and you can start processing the order. If the payment type is online, a payment link will be sent to the customer to pay online and confirm the order. But if the payment type is COD, the order is automatically confirmed. Once the order is ready, you can click on Ready for Pickup if the order type is pickup. If the order type is delivery, click on Out for Delivery button and enter the name of the delivery boy who will deliver the order. Once you have received confirmation that the order has been picked up or delivered, click on the Delivered or Picked Up button. This completes the entire order flow, and if this was an online payment order, you will receive the settlement directly to your bank account in the scheduled time. Coming back to the part if you want to edit an order. To do that, select the order you want to edit. Now, click on the Edit Items button and you will be seeing something like this. If you want to change the price, click on the blank area for that medicine and enter the desired MRP. Now, the discount would be calculated from your store preferences and reflected on the screen. To remove the medicine, simply make the quantity 0 and save. You can also increase or decrease the quantity based on your stocks or customers' requirements. Once your edits are confirmed, click on Save Changes and the customer will receive a notification to confirm or cancel the changes directly on WhatsApp. Once the customer confirms the changes, you will be notified instantly and the order flow can continue normally. The second type of order is a prescription-only order. The recent order, which is prescription-only, would have a prescription attached tag. Once you click on Details, go to the Items tab and click on Add Medicines. In the pop-up, you can click on the prescription icon, which opens the prescription in the bottom half of the screen. This allows you to read the prescription and add the medicines. To add a medicine, click on the search bar and add the required medicine. You can check the summary after closing the pop-up. Once you are satisfied, click on Save Order. This sends a notification to the customer to confirm the items, and then you can process the order easily. That's it. You now know how to process an online order from EasoCare for Pharmacy.